All right, what's up everybody? I'm in the bathroom. It's a little echoey, but I think you can hear me just fine. I wanted to make a video. A lot of you have been asking about how the shower installation, the glass door here that I did about 3 years ago now is holding up. And so I've got the shower relatively clean for you. And just wanted to show you around in case you are interested. Specifically, some of you have been asking about the threshold here, and also the fact that I did not drill into the shower pan itself. I basically used adhesive and caulking and whatnot to secure that, but I'll just give you some of my quick impressions on how the shower door has been holding up, and you can kind of decide for yourself. Again, this has been in operation, full use by my family for 3 years now, so no rust. First of all, the stainless steel does get a little dirty. It does require a little bit of polishing and cleaning. The glass door as well gets a little cloudy, so that requires it to be cleaned. But I would say overall, I mean, check this out. This piece is sturdy. Again, I did not drill into the shower pan. I just secured that with caulking, and I caulked this as well. This piece is also, everything's just 100% silicone. And let's take a look at the threshold here. I built this, or I didn't build it, this came with it, but I cut it down to size, and then caulked this as well. And then put a little bit of caulking on the top. It's clear so you can't see it, just to make sure that that water dripping down the inside does not come out onto this piece itself. We've got a little discoloration happening on this piece, but it does clean off for the most part. So you can just scrub that with a towel. So that's good. A little bit of mold happening on the undersides of this caulking. So this can be cleaned out and then reapplied. I have done that once. And so that's good. Let me give you a look on the inside here. So this is that piece. It's just glued on there. So it's holding up well. I had shimmied it. And so there's no slippage or anything like that. I don't know what else to say. There is, so another thing, these wheels here have this black like rubber thing. Sometimes I clean that, so we're good. But sometimes there's a little bit of residue, black residue you can see right there. That kind of comes off. But I would say I have no complaints. This thing's holding up really well. It closes evenly and smoothly. You can hear that. No complaints on the shower head. That's looking good. A little bit of discoloration happening around the junctions here. And of course the hose gets a little mildewy, so you gotta get a little brush and wipe that off. So I did all this, again, 3 years ago, and I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, we'll stop this video here. If you've got specific questions that I didn't cover, feel free to drop those in the comments, and I'll try to respond to you as soon as I can. Thanks.